Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Libratone One Style speaker with any Android phone or Android tablet. So first of all, you have to power on your speaker, and you can locate the power button right here on this Libratone marking. So click and hold it and wait until you hear that notification sound, and also until this indicator, the touch sensor, turns on. As you can see, in my case the speaker is already in the pairing mode, but if you don't have this pairing mode enabled, you just have to click and hold right here for like 2 seconds until this indicator starts blinking for the left and the right side. Then just put it close to your Android device. And we have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can quickly pair it by the standard Bluetooth settings. That's how we can do this. But also, I can definitely recommend you to go for the Play Store and get this Libratone application, when you can find more features of these earbuds, like sound equalizer and other stuff. So we have to get this this application. Now just be patient and wait until the download will be finished. Okay, and when the download is finished, you just have to open this application, then click continue at the bottom of the screen, and you have to just click to add the new product. As you can see, in my case the speaker is still in the pairing mode, and as you can see, we have to sign up, sign in, or use the third-party accounts like Facebook or Google, and I'm gonna do this actually with my Google account because I don't want to create the new account. So there we go. There's this some kind of the subscription for, like, you know, all of this new stuff like offers, promotions, and news about the products. I'm gonna skip it and click later. Let's activate all of the permissions. As you can see, in my case, I can find my previously connected devices, but we have to click to add the new product. And from this list, we just have to scroll down and find the speaker. That's our speaker, One Style. So click on it once. As you can see, we actually did it. We turn it on. So we have to click next. We also enable the pairing mode. So we have to just click next. And right now we are moved to the standard Bluetooth settings, so click to pair new device, select your Libratone One Style speaker, accept the pairing, and as you can hear, we are successfully connected right now. So let's reopen this application. There we go. Select the speaker from the list, some kind of quick tutorial. Let's click skip, and as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.